Good day guys, another past civil service exam math problem. So let's solve it. Yung number 69. Sabi dyan, a DVD movie purchased for 440 pesos was marked up 25% on the selling price. Later, as retail prices fell, this movie was marked down 20% on the current sale price. Find its new sale price. So the answer must be 440 pesos. So paano yan makukuha? So ganito lang yan guys. Binili mo daw yung DVD movie ng halagang 440 pesos. So meron daw 25% na markup sa selling price. So meaning, i-times mo siya sa 25% para makuha mo yung idadagdag doon sa 440 pesos. Kasi nga sabi, marked up 25%. So therefore, 440 plus 110, pag tinotal mo yan, ang lalabas po dyan ay 550. May binanggit sa second sentence, later as retail prices fell, bumaba daw, this movie was marked down 20% on the current sale price. So yung current sale price mo is 550 pesos. I-multiply mo ngayon siya sa 20% na markdown price. So meron kang lumabas na 110. Yung 110 pesos na yun, i-minus mo siya sa current na 550. Kasi yun yung ano mo yun yung kasalukuyan mong presyo, di ba? So, bumaba siya ng 20% niya. So, 550 minus 110 pesos, ang lalabas na pinaka new sale price niya ay 440. So, the answer is the same as doon sa nasa choices natin na nakakulay red. So, follow for more tutorial videos.